Outside is thundering, so is the crypto space, and the meme has been taking quite a big punishment. So for today's video guys, we're going to be discussing quite a few usual suspect memes, as well as we're going to jump straight into Puss in Boots, because wow, we've all made, well, I hope some of you guys have definitely made your profits on this one, because I reckon with Puss in Boots, we should be able to see a huge catabolic ride coming in for this space. There are a couple of caveats that can really hinder the project, at least for the short term, but other than that, I reckon there should be a decent ride coming in for this space. Hello, welcome back to Side of Crypto for another video. So we're going to dive straight into Puss in Boots. So for today's action, it looks like we are down by quite a bit. However, looking at the chart, it's still extremely early days. This is like a 2-day-old meme, and we should be expecting some crazy price coming in for this one. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the dog with hats, and if we can get up to anywhere close as to their valuation, then that will be insane for the project. Because if you take a look at the market cap, it's at 1 million. 10x from here, it'd be 10 million. 100x would be 100 million, and then 1000x would be at 1 billion. However, I reckon with Puss in Boots, we should be able to hit a 10,000x, which should put the market cap at $10 billion. And that would be a fantastic profit to be had. So I'm still extremely bullish on this one. Yes, we are seeing some pullbacks within the space. Guys, this is normal. Whenever we see a new project coming out like this, do not be afraid that we will see some setbacks. See a setback just like today. It is extremely normal, so have no fear. With this one, I'm quite happy to accumulate. As we can see already, I've already placed $94 over there. That was my expected profits, but I took profits a little bit higher for this one particular trade, and I've actually took out more than half of my profits, and I'm looking to re-enter with all my profits back into Puss in Boots around about here, maybe even slightly lower, load a bit more, and I'm gonna literally forget about it until I see that 1000 gains and hopefully 10,000 gains. So that will be insane. And once we get back to down this sort of level up here, I should be able to have at least around about $300 for this one. So if you get to that 10,000x, that will give me potentially $3 million in the near future. If the project decides to crash and burn, at least I can afford to lose out. By the end of the day, we never know. We might even see a quick 100x before we go sideways and then push our way back up to that 1000x. But that is just my prediction. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. So let's crack on the video. We could jump straight into Looney Tunes. Looney Tunes has been taking some battering as well, but it is exactly what is expected. Because if we take a look at this from the chart, this is like the perfect area to be able to reaccumulate and get in some more of these meme tokens. Because at the end of the day, guys, we can see some crazy gains coming in for this one. Their website is absolutely fantastic, which we'll get into right now. They got some potential memes coming up soon, and you can stake their tokens, guys. This is really, really fantastic news for Looney Tunes, because I reckon we can easily hit 1000x from here, which will put the market cap at 1.3 billion. I wouldn't be surprised if we even see a I wouldn't be surprised if we even see a 10,000x from here, which will put the market cap at 13 billion. So that would be an amazing gains for all of us. So potentially with Puss in Boots and with Looney Tunes, we should be able to make at least $1 million each if we put in with a minimum of $100 to trade with. It's literally put in the $100 and forget about it until we see this crazy range. However, if you can afford more, obviously put as much as you can afford to lose, because ultimately, even if you see 1000x and you put in $1,000, that's already, yeah, as you can imagine, crazy gains. So I'm super bullish on these two projects already. Which one of these two so far do I reckon will do the best? Well, I'm not so sure, guys, because if Puss in Boots doesn't mimic dog with hats, then yes, Puss in Boots will be the best one out of the two. But in terms of longevity and utility use cases, NFTs, I would say Looney Tunes would be better for that options. But anyway, I digress. You battle it out in the comment section. Which one do you reckon is the best one? If you haven't already, head over towards my YouTube channel. You could also see my last two videos, which I've posted today. One of which is the S-Video and Base Heroes. Guys, I'm super bullish for these two. I'm almost certain we can see a 10,000x for each of these. But more importantly, in this video, I can actually show you how you can turn your one soul into 10 very easily. And then if you hold for the longest, guys, you can make some serious profits for that one. The best bit about this video over here is to essentially teach you, how to trade and flip your souls. So if you got one soul, you can easily flip one soul into 3. And then you can also turn your 3 souls into 10. This trading method over here will teach you exactly how to do that, guys. It is so simple. You can even as easy as flip 1 into 3 so easily just by watching this video, so go check it out. But why don't we get back into the video? Kitty has taken a battering, that is for sure, especially over the past couple of hours. However, I'm still mega bullish for Kitty. The market cap for this one is 7.2. I can easily see this a 100x from here, because 100x from here, it will put the market cap at 7.25 billion. This should be a no-brainer and an easy one to go for, because at the end of the day, guys, we are going to see some crazy ride coming in for this one. If we take a look at the overall chart, this is extremely juicy, because once we load up a lot more of our tokens over here and we buy some more, if I were you, not financial advice, I'll just leave it there until we see an easy 100x from here for Kitty. So I've just given you already 3 meme coins that can do you 1000x and more. I'm more bullish on Puss in Boots and Looney Tunes. However, we can still see some insane gains coming in for Kitty. So why don't we quickly jump into Base Heroes. Guys, this one I've just spotted maybe earlier today, because I did kind of keep my eyes on this one for relatively a few days now, but I was waiting for the pullback. And we saw this lovely pullback and I've gone straight into it. Currently up for today, I think we're up by more than 10%. On the day, but we have been pulling back slightly as well. So yeah, so currently we're 6% down, but if you look at the overall chart, it's not looking too bad at all. If you've been following my channel, we've said if we enter down here, we should be expecting a push to the upside, which we are witnessing right now. How much higher can we go? Well, firstly, guys, this is a huge discount. Well, firstly, guys, we are seeing this at a discount. And if you go to the 4-hourly chart, this is like a massive discount right now, and it's a fantastic opportunity to get in if you're mega bullish on this project, as I am, because I reckon we can easily do 100x from here. If we go back to check the market cap, we are currently at 100 mil. That means 10x from here will put it at the 1 billion. If we do 20x, it'll put the market cap at 10 billion. That's not too bad, guys. If you do a 20x from here, could we do 100x? Well, guys, only time will tell. With a market cap like this, we haven't seen many memes go much higher than 15 billion, but it is worth keeping an eye, because you never know what might happen in this space. If there are any meme coins that could hit more than 20 billion and they are new memes, perhaps this one can do just that. So let's quickly move over to, if you take a look again, guys, yes, we are being pulled back right back into this zone right over here, and this is a decent area to get in, and it's a wicked buying opportunity. Because once we do look to enter anywhere around about here, it doesn't have to be precise at all. You can get in here, for instance, and then if you held it till we get right to the very top, that will give you 148% move to the upside. However, judging by the market cap size, we can see this going at least 10x, which means the market cap would be at 880 million. If we see 100x, it put the market cap at 8.8 billion. This is also extremely doable. We might even see 1000x for this one, but we will find out soon whether this happens. Just putting it out there to you to let you know exactly what I think, even though none of this is financial advice. Let us move on to the next one. Then let's head over to Success Kid, because even for Success Kid, guys, this is a major discount right now, because currently the market cap is at 6.14 million. Just the other day it was at 8.8 and it looks like it could be dropping. If we drop down much further and we reach down to these levels down here, then guys, that would be absolutely amazing. If I pull out the price versus the market cap, if we do fall back down to these levels down here, the market cap should be around about 5.2 million. That would be amazing. We just need to see a drop back down to these levels and I'll be looking to add a lot more to my bags. If we go as far as down to that support line at 4.95 million, guys, 10x from here, you put the market cap at 40 million, say 49 million, and then 100x for me, you put the market cap at 498 million, 1000x, you put the market cap at 4.9 billion. Wow, I reckon we could do a lot more than your 1000x for Success Kid. I still reckon this is the OG meme. You let me know in the comments if that Success Kid is in fact the OG of all memes. Let's head over to Chloe. Right guys, Chloe's market cap has gone back down to 500,000. This is a gem and a half. 10x from here is 5.1. 100x, it'll be at 51 million. 1000x, it'll be 518 million. And then 10,000x, it will put the market cap at 1.8. So $5.1 billion. Guys, this is freaking insane. Because I reckon with Sai and Chloe, this will be one of the underdogs and that a lot of people will miss out on, because everyone's too focused on checking out the latest shining meme coins like Base Heroes, S-Video, Puss in Boots, Looney Tunes. But Side-Eye and Chloe, my gosh guys, this will be a crazy ride coming in for this one, because I do believe with Side-Eye and Chloe, meme will go up to 10,000x, which means it's $1 million maker. You let me know in the comments guys whether you believe in that or not, but I certainly do. Let's go over to Wojak. Wojak is even tinier guys. The market cap is only at $207,000. 10x from here is 2 million. 100x from here is 20 million. 1000x from here is 207 million. And then 10,000x at 2 billion market cap. Guys, we can certainly do that and more. Even if we hit 2 billion and that's as high as it can reach, we can still make crazy gains. And this is also $1 million maker. Let's go over to the very last meme and then we're out of it. And that is Ted. Ted has done amazing over the past few days. Exactly what I said over here and there in my last few videos, that we should be expecting higher price coming in for Ted. It's got that strong meme appeal. If you go to their website, then guys, this meme has got that staying power, and I reckon, judging by the size of the market cap, we can still see a 10,000x for this one as well, which will put the market cap at $6 billion. So there you have it guys, these are my predictions for the tokens, and I reckon if you're exposed to all of these memes, I forgot how many that I mentioned, and if you put in $20 each or $50 each and you just leave them till the heights of the bull season, you will still make an extremely amount of profits, and you will certainly see those generational wealth. Or maybe not generational wealth, but you certainly will be in a better financial position if that is your goal. But anyway guys, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching my video. If you haven't done so already, head over towards my YouTube channel, subscribe right up here, hit the bell notification, and I will see you all in the next one.